Om Tat Sat. My humble prostrations to the all-pervading Brahman or God, to my worshipful Guruji, Swami Jyotirmananji Maharaj, to all the sages and saints of this world, and to each of you, divine soul, watching today's satsang. Today we are covering Sutra number 9 from the Vibhuti Pad of the Raja Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Commentary by my Gurudev, Swami Jyotirmananji, and narrated by myself, Swami Nikhilananda. So let's get started with this sutra, sutra number 9. It says, Vyuthana Nirodha Sanskaraha अभिभाव प्रादुर्भावो निरोधक्षण चित्तान्वयो निरोध परिणामः. So let's repeat. व्युत्थान निरोध संस्कारयोः अभिभाव प्रादुर्भावो निरोधक्षण चित्तान्वयो nirodha parinamaha. So the meaning is the suppression of the outgoing impressions of the lower samadhi and the emergence of the suppression of the control of higher samadhi. Such is the movement when the chitta becomes involved in the modifications of control. So what does this mean? So let's explain deeper. That when your chitta or consciousness, as you experience deeper levels of samadhi, you start purifying yourself more and more. You're going from the gross to the subtle, and those impressions become more and more spontaneous as you practice. So during the practice, for example, for asampragyata samadhi, remember this is the highest samadhi. Just before we get liberated, we have to get to that state. Just like there's a certain boiling temperature to the water, unless the water it reaches that, no matter how hot it is, it's not boiling. Similarly, for us to really attain the pinnacle of samadhi, we have to reach the asampragyata samadhi, also known as nirodha samadhi. Nirodh means totally pure. In that state, all the subtle impressions that are on our chitta are gone, they're washed away. So a subtle modification takes place in the chitta until it is resolved into prakriti. That is the process that is going on in the asampragyata samadhi. At this point, it is being that's what Sage Patanjali is trying to clarify here, that your purification is happening at a very deep level. As the practice of asampragyat samadhi continues, the yogi experiences decrease of the outgoing impressions. They are automatically decreased, and the increase of nirodha samskaras or impressions of control are increasing automatically. So those are the ones that will eventually, this is why we say for the yogis and for these highly advanced spiritual people, the world does not exist. They can switch it off at demand, on will, and go into a different dimension. That is what this is how they achieve it. But this is asampragyat samadhi is the highest rung of the samadhi ladder. I hope you understand this sutra. It's very profound, and it is the pinnacle of where we need to reach in our spiritual sadhana. If you're enjoying these satsangs, please continue to share with others, and if you have not done so, please subscribe and stay connected. Om Tat Sat.